It's Christmas time. Here comes the first ball. It's Christmas for the batsman as well. Smacked away for four. That was a juicy ball and it's been put away. Karnataka. The debate's going on because they want to have a fielder back at long on as well. Kicha Sudeep is the man we were looking at. That is interesting, Sunil. You've got two boundary riders on the on, deep square, long on, and that ball was asking to be hit outside off stump.
I think that was a good.
Well, he's gotten away with it, is all I'll say. Well fielded. Excellent work, and there's a chance of a run out here. They will get a wicket, Mumbai Heroes. Well done. Sharad Khelkar did absolutely excellent work there, standing at mid-off. Pradeep is so very livid with it.
I think Pradeep Khelkar, great effort. Sharad Khelkar, I beg your pardon. Sharad Khelkar, great effort. Look at him there. Brilliant.
Brilliant fielding effort at mid-off, and the keeper doing well as well, making sure that he collected the throw off balance. Manoj Tiwari is ecstatic. You can see contrasting emotions in the Kerala Bulldozers camp.
He was looking at the fielder, not at the ball. That's a close shout.
Heroes of celluloid. Trying to showcase their cricketing skills on a cricket field. So this isn't really their first.
Very well.
Oh, that's just going down the leg side. Will be called a wide. Umpire's very, very severe on any tactic to shuffle so far across. Oh, that's going to be called a wide again. That's the risk you run. Another extra being conceded. The moment you're shuffling a little across, you're putting a thought in the bowler's head. You want to keep the ball away from the batsman.
I think Rajiv is waiting only for the in-swingers because he knows that Manoj Tiwari bowls a big in-swingers. That's the trick what Manoj is playing on the batsman mind as well.
It's probably slipping down leg side. That's the reason why the umpire wasn't interested in the appeal. The first overs come to an end. Karnataka Bulldozers 6 for 1.
Front of the side screen. Anyway, Sharath started off with a wide. Sharath, body needs to warm up. We see the Karnataka Bulldozers dugout.
ये खेमा इससे तो आप बहुत भली भांति वाकिफ है ना सुनील, because of course you've spent so much time with him during KPL.
No, this is a great unit. I would say Kicha Sudeep has really monitored this unit very well. Put some good things in their mind.
और एज की मांग कर रहे थे कीपर शाकिब. उनको तो लगा कि जैसे थोड़ी सी आवाज भी थी, पर मुझे लगता है वो बैट पैड को ग्रेस किया.
It was a good ball though. Sharath, we have seen last night what he bowled, and today he was spot on with the second ball. Good comeback. Good seam position. Look at that. Wonderful.
चार्ज देना चाहते थे इस बार. लेंथ शॉर्टन करी शरद केलकर ने. लगता है देख के कि शरद जब बॉलिंग कर रहे थे, पहले फील्डिंग कर रहे थे, कल भी जब गेंदबाजी करी दूसरे मैच में, क्रिकेटिंग एबिलिटी काफी डिस्प्ले करते हुए.
मेरे को लगता है रमन शरद कुछ लेवल तक क्रिकेट खेल के आए हैं. उनके बेसिक्स तो बहुत बहुत स्ट्रांग है, अच्छे हैं. ठीक ठाक नहीं है, बहुत अच्छे स्ट्रांग है.
स्ट्रांग तो शरद केलकर भी है. फिजिक पे नजर डालिए.
ये तो मसल मैन.
थोड़ा सा बैक ऑफ लेंथ रख लें इसलिए. ओह, गलती और रन्स मिलेंगे. 4 रन जहां पर केवल 1 होना चाहिए था. 3 एक्स्ट्रा रन्स. कैप्टन खुश नहीं होंगे, पर कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स का खेमा खुश.
Absolutely, Pradeep didn't time it though, but got boundary. I think it was not a great effort, I would say so. He could have picked up the ball. Absolutely, Karnataka got another boundary, and Pradeep on strike. Pradeep here is trying to hit little hard, coming hard on the ball.
थोड़ी सी कमिटमेंट और चाहिए फील्डिंग के अंदर. गेंदबाज भी यही कह रहे होंगे अपने फील्डर्स से. कर्नाटका बुलडोजर्स का बेंच थोड़ा सा रिलैक्स्ड दिखता हुआ. याद रखिए इस ग्रुप से केरला स्ट्राइकर्स दोनों मैचेस जीतकर क्वालिफाई कर चुकी है फाइनल्स के लिए. सो दे आर प्लेइंग फॉर प्राइड एंड प्लेइंग फॉर द फर्स्ट विन ऑफ दिस सीजन, both Karnataka Bulldozers and the Mumbai Heroes.
It's a great thing. Sudeep did mention in the during the toss, Kicha Sudeep mentioned that they are playing for the pride and they love this team, Mumbai Heroes. They have so many friends on that. It's a great fun to be among them.
Change of pace था यहाँ पर, थोड़ा सा full रखने की भी कोशिश. I think he's missed out on a scoring opportunity there.
Absolutely. And straight to the cover fielder.
Juicy ball slot के अंदर. प्रदीप भी जानते हैं इस पर 4 लिखे हुए थे.
And we need to remind Pradeep is the power plays have only 1 over left.
मिसफील्ड इस बार नवराज हंस द्वारा और 2 रन मिलेंगे प्रदीप को. इस ओवर में 6 रन जो मिले हैं बल्ले से वो 6 के 6 मिसफील्ड से आए हैं. चलिए 2 ओवर समाप्त, 13 पर 1. The final and they'll play later in the evening.
It would be an easy way to go through for Telugu Warriors is concerned. Rajiv picked it up nicely, this one from Manoj Tiwari. Coming back for the second run.
Back up. Yes.
Kabir did well to get to the ball, kept the batsman down to 2. So Rajiv opens his account with that brace.
See some CCL goes with the glamour as well. This is Mumbai Indians dugout.
आवाज जरूर आई थी, इसीलिए मनोज तिवारी अपील कर रहे थे कैच की, पर मुझे लगा कि बैट टच किया था या तो ग्राउंड से या पैड से स्क्रैप करके गया था, बॉल से बहुत दूर था.
I think Raman Rajiv hit the ground. Look at that, hitting the ground wide, and they all get excited. All these small things. That's a great enthusiastic we need to see from these heroes as well.
क्या बात. अंपायर का रिएक्शन देखिए और मनोज तिवारी को देखिए. पैशन साफ झलकता हुआ मनोज तिवारी के चेहरे पे, और ये अच्छा लगता है देखते हुए कि आप सिर्फ ऐसे ही स्टार्स हैं. ये आपका प्राइमरी फोकस एरिया नहीं है, फिर भी आप 110% डाल रहे हैं, कमिटमेंट दिखा रहे हैं प्रैक्टिस में भी और पिच पर भी.
That comes with all that passion. You know the word we say cricket passion से खेलना चाहिए, and I think these heroes from all the teams are playing with passion, so much passion. We see Sohail Khan, the Mumbai owner,
And he's
Mumbai
got
Heroes
and
owner.
Absolutely, Sunil. He's got a passion for a lot of sports. Well bowled, Manoj Tiwari. There's a boundary rider at the back. Just a single. Field के हिसाब से bowling करी.
That's it. बहुत बढ़िया.
Perfect. I think Tiwari is a smart cricketer, and he has played decent cricket in his heydays, and yet he looks to be competitive even at this stage.
कितने ऐसे खिलाड़ी हैं जो इनिंग्स के अंदर बॉलिंग भी ओपन करें, बैटिंग को भी ओपन करें और क्वालिटी क्रिकेट खेले. मनोज तिवारी उनमें से एक.
Pradeep looking to strike with another 3 balls left in this power play over.
Shot. And that's it straight. It's going to be 4. There's a fielder at long off, but he didn't even move. Sharad Kelkar knew he had no chance to get there. Another boundary for Pradeep. He goes up to 14 now.
The happy dugout from Karnataka Bulldozers. Nice and straight. Pradeep. Good punch. And the fielder at long off, Pradeep Kelkar was too wide, Raman. Sharad Kelkar. I beg your pardon, Sharad Kelkar.
पर ये चांस बन सकता है. क्लीन स्ट्राइक थी नहीं, लीडिंग एज पे लगी थी बॉल. छोड़ दो क्लियर कॉल सुनाई दे रही थी.
Absolutely. You know, Pradeep trying to hit over mid on. In the bargain, the bat face got opened up and went a little bit more further towards Sharad at long off. One ball in this last power play over. Let's see what Pradeep has to do.
Oh, he screamed this. One bounce and over. It's turned out to be an expensive 6 deliveries. 14 runs from it. It's 27 for 1.